Hello, this is Mr. White. We're on Chapter 11, Introduction to Animals, and this is Lesson 1. What is an animal? My Planet Diary. Animal Discoveries. What would a mammal never before seen look like? The answer lies in the mountains of Tanzania, Africa. There, scientists discovered a vertebrate, which is an animal, in 2005. The animal, which has been named Rhinocochran udzungwannis, is a species of giant elephant shrew. It weighs about 700 grams and measures about 30 centimeters in length, which is just a little longer than this book. This newly discovered mammal is larger than other elephant shrews, and it has its own distinctive color. Other animals have also been discovered in the mountains of Tanzania. Unknown amphibians and reptiles have been discovered there as well. Each discovery reveals more of the diversity of animals living on Earth. What are the functions of animals? Like plants, animals live almost everywhere on Earth. Animals have scales, feathers, shells, or fins. They may be brightly colored or completely see-through. Some animals do not have limbs. Others have too many limbs to count. You may wonder if animals have anything in common. Well, they do. Function. All animals are multicellular organisms that feed on other organisms and perform the same basic functions. The main functions of an animal are to obtain food and oxygen, keep internal conditions stable, move in some way, and reproduce. Keeping internal body conditions is also called homeostasis. Adaptations. Structures and behaviors that allow animals to perform their functions are called adaptations. Teeth and limbs are adaptations that allow animals to obtain food and move. The pouch of a kangaroo is an adaptation for reproduction. How are animals classified? There are more than 1.6 million species of animals, and more are discovered each year. So far, biologists have classified animals into about 35 major groups. In Figure 1, you can see some of the major groups. Notice how the groups are arranged on branches. Animal groups on nearby branches are more closely related than groups on branches further apart. For example, birds are more closely related to reptiles than they are to mammals. Animals are classified according to how they are related to other animals. These relationships are determined by an animal's body structure, the way the animal develops, and its DNA. DNA is a chemical in cells that controls an organism's inherited characteristics. All animals are either vertebrates or invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with a backbone. Invertebrates are animals without a backbone.